Stop recording me.
Hi YouTube. You know who this is? This is Tanner. Well, you already know what this is. This is the chowing time. We gonna try that.
Okay.
My look.
So.
Jesse?
Try to make her look like this.
Wait a minute.
Try to make her look like this, D.
So, wait a minute. So, we're gonna go ahead and show you what I have. I have my shrimp and my crab legs inside, and on the side I have my egg rolls, and I have Sprite. So I got my peeps over here, my kids. So come on. If y'all gonna help me eat it, come on, cause I'm ready to eat.
I want chicken.
Well, I'm sorry.
Bro, it's so hard. Like, my hands, like my hands so round.
What you doing? Oh, I love you.
Sad. Like, sad, bro.
Mine, come here. Come eat
My
like a
lips
dog.
can touch my
Come
nose.
eat like a dog. Eat like a dog. Come here.
I'm too ready for
DB, you ready to go to bed? Are you ready to go to bed?
Wait, you want it? Look.
You eat it.
I don't think I don't like these. I might eat these still. Huh.
Give me like something to put this in, baby.
Oh, I'm finna do my makeup tutorial.
Not with that paint.
Yes, I
Hush.
am.
Leave her alone.
Right.
Come on, Curie, I'm hungry.
You just put it out. My makeup really good.
Come on, Tank. Wait a minute. Curie. How y'all day been? Mine been good. Yeah, mine been good. I thank God for waking me up this morning. Got my kids ready for school this morning. They had a good day in school. Come on. You can give me that one right there.
Oh.
Put that one back.
That was yesterday.
Get your sister.
Go on.
Give me a bag.
So I can, since I'm your little peep, I can peep it. I can peep away.
Wait a minute. I'm coming, baby.
Don't look what's in this one.
She laughing at you.
Mommy,
What?
have you seen my phone?
It's right there.
Oh,
Say hey, YouTube.
no.
Say hey. Tank. Say hey. I will get it. Say hey.
What you do? Oh, you got plans. Don't say that. Can I get one?
Please don't bite me. Go get you a bowl, a red one.
I'm too good. I'm too good to
Man, she tried to take that bump and take up in the parliament.
Now. I said now.
Yes, ma'am.
I wasn't talking to you.
What was you saying to do?
I wasn't saying for you to do anything. I was talking to you.
Oh. Dang it.
Can I try a shrimp?
What's going on with that man?
Mama Hoy's.
Who you talking to?
Oh, sure.
Hush your mouth. I'll whoop you.
So you guys, how was y'all day? Comment down below.
Mama just said that.
Ew.
So can you eat the skin of it?
No.
No, you're not supposed to, but you can.
Take it off.
I ate it yesterday.
Well, your stomach's gonna be toe up.
It
For real?
wasn't. Let me guess, you put sugar in it.
This is the same sauce.
Yes. Stop.
So I have sugar in it.
Stop, baby.
Oh, Mom, but these are shrimpos. They have parasites in
Stop,
them.
baby. Hush your mouth. But you still eat it though.
Yeah, because they get removed. They get removed.
Can I get a crab, please? Okay, thank you. I really appreciate it. So you guys, there was only 2 students in my class today. With me and this one child.
I'm going to update on my crush. Broke his arm.
That don't choke me with my own hair.
He came to school today. I sat next to him.
Stop.
He said he's going to the hospital today.
Move up. Turn around and eat.
You guys, we went outside today. Had a little nature walk.
You know, our siblings. And that, well, one of them went to sleep with the other one.
Wait.
Oh, y'all know which one is sleeping or in awake. It's pretty obvious.
Very.
This one gonna stay up. As
Until
long as it got to do something with food.
Sure is. Said Oreo.
Oh, good.
Mommy, what you cooking?
I'm cooking some seafood.
It smells good.
Yeah, baby, I know.
Can I have a piece?
They're gonna get paid.
Yeah. You guys, my mom says I can't sing. Do y'all think that's true or not? Thank you.
I said, I don't know. I didn't say you couldn't. I just said, I don't know.
I said my mom.
Hold on. A hot.
Then he gonna kick in.
Hold on.
She
No,
was
baby.
like eating something. Okay, pull my hair back.
I'm gonna do it for you.
Okay. Okay, finish my makeup like I did. Tap it in some water, make sure all that okay. First, we are doing a blue because we are gonna go for a Elsa.
Wait a minute, baby.
Look today.
Elsa with
Stop it.
Elsa-ish?
No, shush.
You said Elsa-ish.
Come on. Stop.
Let me do my thing.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's here.
I'm about to clean Destiny.
Okay, so first, we are gonna need some of this color.
Hey, baby.
Nice. Okay, so we're gonna need black, purple. What does purple make?
Pretty good, mama.
Purple and green make. It makes like a lighter purple, I guess.
Yes.
We put some of that up in there. It makes this kind of purplish color. Okay, so we're just gonna make a line.
Okay.
Do your thing, girl. Don't be looking at me.
I swear.
Because I'm not even stuck.
Y'all distracted me.
How are you looking at us?
No, I'm saying.
Looks like I'm going for some. Mama drowned or date your eggs.
Mom, I shaded that thing.
Mm-mm. You gonna hurt your
She
teeth?
said, look like I went for a swim.
He up.
Man, you give me one last shrimp and an egg roll. Cause you know he's not gonna let me eat it.
How you been going back there with
Thank
him?
you, Mom.
I'll bring it here.
He's not gonna let me. No,
He had fun outside. But which one looks better? Which one looks better?
They both look the same.
This one is different.
Ah!
Now I'm gonna use a little bit of glue just to dab it in the color. If you know what I'm talking about, you know.
You good?
So I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial tomorrow. Just not an easy work
You
video
good?
today. Oh, I hit my side my eye. Mommy, so I'm kind of doing an ASMR right now. So could you keep the volume down? Yeah, okay. I'm trying to like. The blue is actually very pretty. I will give it a 9 out of 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see the blue? If you can, you can. This is, I'm finished with the eyes. Brows. I mean, yeah, brows. I'm gonna do move into my brows.
Stop it.
That I'm doing the makeup because I do this. Mommy, so
Move your hand.
I'm gonna do the makeup look that I did this morning. It was really pretty. Probably it was pretty to me. Probably not to you, but it was pretty to me. Yeah. But
Ooh, brain freeze.
for Maya,
Me. What's this?
so I'm just making a circle with black dots and blood because Elsa was very mad. A little bit more blue. Okay, so we're done with that. Now we're gonna add a little bit of red. Make a little bit of red on the blue. Oh, Mom, guess what? I want to split somebody's on my face.
What?
I want to split somebody's on my face. And at first, I was like, wait, what's on my face? Because I didn't know it was on my face until I looked in the mirror in the bathroom.
Stop, baby.
Hey, Mom.
What?
How did it feel having no kids in the house?
What you mean?
He mad because y'all ate without him.
Stop.
I was going to ask for another piece. Huh? They said you ate without him.
That's why he mad.
Yeah, they told me, baby.
Huh?
We were trying to wake you up.
She went to sleep. You took a cat nap. Or you took a real nap. Which one was it? Cat nap.
Hey, you think anybody don't want this watered down soda?
What water does that?
So you already had some. That's not fair.
You can use some water.
What? I'm hearing this thing you just said, but I know you called me a snitch.
I ain't call you.
Jun Jun.
You made me mess up. Anybody using this, mommy?
Oh yeah.
That's the
What
better.
is right? What? Huh?
Oh no! This one. Okay, so now we're gonna do a little bit of purples in the colors. On the nose, it's gonna be a little bit of purple. Just a little bit, just a little bit. When I say a little bit, I mean a little bit.
What, you want something to drink?
What is that?
Sprite.
Oh, can I get some Sprite?
No.
Well, can I just get 2 ice cubes for my soda?
No.
What? You drinking the rest of it?
No. Right there.
What's wrong with you?
Mommy said this cookie is be nanny.
You alright?
Okay, now I gotta do my lace and I'm done. Kurt, get away from me.
Come on. Go put them in your mouth.
I'm insecure and I care what she thinks.
Good job. Only one, babe. Oh, look at him being so sweet. Being a good little bud.
I give bread all these freaking red.
Is this a dress or a shirt?
Let me see.
It's mine.
It's a drink.
It's cute.
It sure is.
Too bad you can't fit it.
Who can't fit it? I bet y'all can. Move your hand out my cup, girl.
Oh, this is so cute, Mom. Look, this is a necklace.
I did really good on my makeup try.
This is a necklace.
I'm gonna add a little bit of orange to it to make the color pretty.
What?
This is a necklace.
No more. Wait a minute.
Where?
I like this dress. I want this one. This one.
Give me a sippy cup.
A sip cup.
Yeah, Maya. 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 In the cabinet. Take care of y'all. Pull up your pants.
Mom, shouldn't she be eating out of a cup, drinking out of cups?
Come on. Do.
Here. I'm gonna come back with my red cup.
And finish.
Come back with my red bottle.
Finish.
You
You like it?
You should have left the blue eyeshadow stuff.
You said the eyeshadow was good, so you lied.
I said you should have left it.
So
You
you
put that
lied.
green stuff in your on your cheeks for.
I'm not. So you lied.
Give it, mix it in a little bit.
Yeah.
What?
Or you want me to
Daddy! Oh,
Hey.
you stupid!
Hey,
What?
hush your mouth.
No.
But now if I come over there and you hot and invite. That's exactly what you're doing.
Time to remove.
I don't have any excuse to cry.
Remember?
There's one on your plate.
Shake off my makeup with me.
Some shrimp, please.
Shake off my makeup with me. I didn't get to. You beat.
You ready to go to bed? For real? Are you ready to go to bed?
Thank you, mommy.
No comment. No comment. No comment. No comment.
You know when people say no comment, that means yes.
You know what that
Kill your
is?
hush mouth.
Are you going? Or you can see the you show what you did.
This is actually
Like, kill your hush mouth.
Look at your teeth thing.
No, cause we finna go ahead and edit this out. I mean, go ahead and
Hey, you gave me 0 shrimp.
listen here, y'all just ate. Y'all don't be goddamn going. Hey,
a couple hours ago. You know, but
I'll put her cup up.
how you want this?
This mine.
Well, YouTube, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go.
You can have this one.
Stay blessed.
Want this one?
no, I can't feed it.
Yeah.
Love you.
Like this.
Hey,
I want that one.
You want this one?
if you new to my channel,
Yeah.
like, share, and subscribe, and push that, ring that bell, ring the bell, and it'll let you know when I'm cooking. All right? I love you. Bye.